list. So here we are looking at the question named first unique item in catalog. In this question, it states that in a large online store, the inventory list is represented as string where each item is identified by a lowercase English alphabet. However, due to various reasons, some items are sold out in large quantities and some items only appear once in the catalog. So our task is to find the index of the first item that appears only once in the inventory list. This unique item is considered an anomaly because it doesn't repeat like the others. If all items repeat in the inventory list, return -1. So basically in this question, we have given an inventory list which is represented by the string. Means it is represented by the string of any word or letter. In this, and its item are represented by the lowercase English alphabet like A, B, C, D, etc. In this, there are various items. Some are repeated while there are some unique items. So we have to find the first unique item that appears in the inventory and return its index. Now let's see the sample input for this problem statement. Here the first one is street. In this we can see that there are four letters T, R, E, A, T. So in this T is repeated more than once while R, E and A are unique. Therefore we will return the index of the first unique element which comes in this string, which is R. So here we have written the index of R, which is 1. Now in the second sample test case, which is peep, we can see that there is no unique element. That's why we have returned -1. And in the last string we can see that there are various items that are repeated, but M is the first unique item, so simply we return the index of M, which is 9. Now let us move it to its coding part. Here we are performing the code in Java language. So now first we will create a method name what a name non-static int non-repeating char item. Sorry. Here we will take string as an input, string s. Now inside this we will create an integer max which will be assigned 26. Here we have taken 26 because there are 26 letters inside an English alphabet. Now we will create an array named count, which will be used to store the frequency of the characters which appear in the string, and its size will be 26. So each index of this count array will represent a unique alphabet. Now we will iterate a loop, for each loop, where we will take char and we convert the string to the character array so that it is easy for us to take the to insert the character inside the array. So here we can say that count C minus A plus plus. So basically this part is inserting the character inside the count array, and when it appears more than once, then it is simply increasing its value. Means suppose if A appears more than once, then it will increase its value by 1. Here C minus A converts the character to its position in the alphabet. Example like A becomes 0, B becomes 1 and so on. After that we will again iterate through a loop which starts from 0 and runs until the length of string. Inside this loop we check the count in the array. Means here we will check if the count of the array is 1, if the count of the character is 1 or not, by applying this logic, which is count as dot char at I minus A, which is equal to 1. So here this will check if the count of that particular character which appears in the string is 1 or not. If it is 1, then it will simply return the index I of that character. Or if any element which is not unique, then it will return -1. Now here our logic part is done. Now we will go in the main method, and here we will first write the scanner. Yes. Here we are using t for the sample input. Now we will apply a while loop which will iterate for the sample test cases, and we will simply call our non-repeating item function and store its value in integer m. Also we will take the string as an input. String s is equal to s dot next. Now let us run the code. Let's see if some error comes. As we can see, the test cases has been passed. So thank you.